What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So as you guys have seen on Instagram and maybe on the Facebook page, Boosted Addictions, we have been trying to get the car in a dyno. We had an appointment last week and the weather was just really crappy. So the weather's a lot better today. It's Monday, November 4th. It's clear out, as you guys can see. The temperature is probably about 50-55 degrees. It's pretty good. So we're gonna head down and go see my boy Billy Weber over at Mopar Addictions and put TicToc up on the dyno. A lot of you guys have been asking the horsepower. I have no idea. I want to say we're probably around 1,000 wheels, somewhere around there, give or take. But we're gonna find out. Let's do a cold start for you guys. First time the car sat out actually overnight in a long time from being in the shop. It's usually in the shop every night, and that's climate controlled. Usually doesn't drop under 50, 60 or 60 degrees. I got it set at. So it's the first time the car's actually sat out in a while outside, and she didn't like starting in this weather. We got 59 degrees, it says on my car gauge, my car temp gauge. So anyway, let's head over to Weber's and strap this thing to the dyno and see what kind of number she puts down. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're here at Weber's. It's Billy's shop. Here is his dyno. That's Billy's Hellcat right there. Billy's he's been doing a lot of these Hellcats. Another one there. Shop here. He's not just a Mopar guy. He's got all kinds of stuff in here. Some Chevys, some Fords. It's like a Fox body up here. Mustang over here. So Billy's getting into a lot of parts. He's been doing a lot of parts. He actually gave me a really good deal on some drive safe shop axles. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for his contact information. If you guys need anything, or if you're in the Philly area and you want to get on a dyno, he's got a nice dyno here. Hit him up. Straighten it out, Billy, yeah? What's that boost?
11.6.
Alright, made 7 something. 726. Alright, guys, so we made corrected on 11.6 pounds of boost. We made 726 at 7,000 RPM. So we had another 1,000 RPMs in it. Let me show you this. So we made 726 at 7,000 RPMs. Max torque was 689 at 44. And that was on 11.6 pounds. So we still got another 1,000 RPM in it, and we just probably put, hopefully, maybe 3 pounds into it. Let it cool down a little bit, and we'll give it another rip. .867, so we picked up 150 horse. How much boost? All right, guys, so we made. Did it? Yeah. Oh yeah, it sounded like a different car.
Like, it didn't feel like.
You only took it out to 72.
Huh?
You only took it out to 72.
No,
Swear to God.
no, that's when it makes peak power.
Oh, see what you took it out to. Did you hit the rev limiter?
75, 76, 7700.
Did you hit the rev limiter?
No, the first one I took to like 7200.
So on 14.5 pounds, we made 867 at 7200, and we made 795 torque at 46. It's not bad. I'm good, Bill. Alright guys, so we just had to raise the overboost. So the overboost is like a safety setting in the boost controller that if it hits the boost level that you set the overboost at, it will cut boost. So it was set at 17.5, and the boost controller made 18.6. That's why we were having that little issue we were having. Even with the issue we had, we made 921 to the wheel at 600 RPM or 6,000 RPMs. Wow, that thing's killing it. And then we made 888 torque at 47. So we just raised the overboost to 19 pounds. I raised it to 19 pounds, and then I put the SP value down to 40. So it's probably still going to make 17, 18 pounds. So we should be about 1,000 wheel easy, because we made what, 920?
Yeah, all fucked up.
All, yeah.
Look at that. Dude,
921.
This is fucking
It was going, dude. It don't look like it was starting to curve anywhere either.
No, it was going. It was skyrocketing.
There we are.
I'll tell you when it made it. It should tell me. It made over nine. It made like 920 something. Like, take a look. This is 900.
Right. So that was probably.
We want to get above this right here.
1,000. I think it's gonna make it. As I was at 6,000 RPMs, it made that.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So there we go. Last and final pull. Make 912. 912. How many pounds? 16.3.
No, I meant you with the others. I'm going to make high 900. Mid to high
912 at 72. At, what was the boost?
16.3.
16.3.
That's about right.
Yeah. 16.3. We made 912.
How much torque is it?
I think maybe next time, maybe next week or so. Well, fuck, I'll bring it over.
Run it low on fuel. We'll put something
on it. I'll talk to John and we'll just send him over. Like, yo, what's going on? Ignite Red. Fucking, where are we at?
He'll probably tell you that you can put it on 18, 19.
Oh, yeah. So, what, 16.3, we made 912 horsepower.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and we made 844 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700. It's not bad.
Dude, I just fucking, see that?
What, you caught it?
That's off of mine. I fell off when I caught it.
Get the fuck out of here.
Fine.
Wow. Wow. Guys, listen. You guys are local to Philly and you want to get your car on a dyno, come over here and see Billy Weber at Mopar Addictions. And we'll take care of you. He's got a nice dyno over here. It's a dyno jet. He's got a lot of cool shit over here. Also can do all kinds of parts, any type of parts for Fords and, you know, anything. Just run it by him. He gives killer deals out. Check him out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.